This lesson is from the 7th grade Mifflin English book. It's on hyphens, dashes, and parentheses, and it covers pages 258 to 260 in the student textbook. Use a hyphen to separate syllables of a word when you break the word at the end of the line. This goes back to typewriters. When you went so far and you needed to finish a word, you had to separate it by syllables. Two groups of animals with cold blood are reptiles and amphibians. Use a hyphen in all compound numbers from 21 to 99. So some examples, 36, 52, 74. Hyphens also connect parts of some compound words. Sister-in-law. Use dashes to signal a sudden change in thought in a sentence. The Komodo dragon, a good name for this lizard, is huge. You can take it out. When you want to add an explanation that is not of major importance to a sentence, enclose it in parentheses. This encyclopedia, volume 12, has an entry about lizards. So let's start with hyphens and dashes here. Let me get a marker. Reptiles, we're going to do dash. These include alligators, crocodiles, lizards, snakes, and turtles, dash, have dry scaly skin. If I take those out, reptiles have dry scaly skin makes sense, so we're separating it with dashes. Reptiles are cold-blooded, that's a hyphenated word. Dash, make it a little bit longer, sorry. That is, their body temperature stays the same as the temperature of their surroundings. Snakes, dash, you've probably seen one, dash, live almost everywhere. There are no snakes, dash, amazingly enough, dash, in Ireland. At 34, hyphenated word, feet, the python is the longest reptile. The anaconda is a runner-up, hyphenated word, and measures 30 feet. About 270 kinds of snakes, dash, a few too many, dash, are poisonous. Now let's deal with parentheses. There are many kinds of lizards, parentheses, about 3,000. Sorry, I'm going to do a 3,000 in all. Sorry. If I can take it out, so there are many kinds of lizards, that makes sense. So that's how I know where to end my parentheses. Some lizards grew quite long, parentheses, 9 or 10 feet. Others measure no more than 2 inches, parentheses, 5 centimeters. A show about alligators will be on television tonight, parentheses, 7:30. You won't find alligators or any other reptiles in the polar regions of the world, parentheses, Arctic, Antarctica. Read chapter 20, parentheses, page 419 for more information about reptiles.